Malai Kofta. Now this is a very rich and creamy gravy with these lovely soft and delicious kofta balls. This is a much requested recipe and I've decided to show it to you guys. So let's get started and check out the recipe. Heat a pan with some oil and butter. Add the whole spices. Cumin seeds ½ teaspoon, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, 2 cardamom, 5 to 6 peppercorns. Next, add finely chopped onions too. Add 3 green chilies, 2 pieces of garlic, 1 piece of ginger. Saute them till they are a nice golden color. To this, I'm going to add 4 large tomatoes chopped. $20 cashew nuts. Saute them till they are well cooked. ¼ teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix everything. To this, I'm going to add ½ teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons sugar. Add all the ingredients and cook for 5 minutes. After everything is cooked, let the mixture come to room temperature. Grind it to a nice smooth paste by adding some water. Heat the same pan, add a little butter. Add the pureed gravy into the pan, bring it to a boil. Now add ½ teaspoon Garam Masala powder and a few Kasuri Methi leaves. Mix everything well. A few chopped coriander leaves, ¼ cup fresh cream, let it boil for about 5 minutes. You can see the gravies come together beautifully. It's very nice, thick and creamy. Set the gravy aside. Now I'm going to make the koftas. For this, I've taken 2 large boiled potatoes, cut them into small pieces, 200 grams of paneer, grate it into the bowl. Add some salt, 2 green chilies finely chopped, a few chopped coriander leaves, and mash everything well. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour just to bind the mixture well so that while deep frying it doesn't fall apart. Take a small portion of the mixture. Fill the center with raisins and chopped cashews. Roll it into desired size balls. Keep them aside. Next, take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Keep the flame on medium and fry the koftas. Deep fry the kofta balls until they are a nice golden brown in color. To assemble the Malai Kofta, place the kofta balls in a wide bowl or a shallow plate and pour the hot gravy over it about 5 to 10 minutes just before serving. Enjoy this delicious Malai Kofta with some butter naan, roti or pulao by the side. So there you go. Here is this absolutely delicious Malai Kofta. Now this can be enjoyed with some nice butter naan or roti by the side. This involves a lot of steps, but trust me, it's worth it. So definitely do try this recipe and enjoy it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.